Today I have a process video for you, and we are going to be setting up this cute little spread, this motivational spread for your traveler's notebook. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be adding to this little TN insert that I haven't actually added to in a little while, but it is part scrapbook, part bullet journal, part fun, part motivational. So we're going to add a spread in here. And actually this was requested by Karen Bloom. I think I'm pronouncing that right. She asked me to make this. So we are going to do that today. This is a great alternative to actually planning. You can decorate in your planner in a traveler's notebook, or you can actually do this in any planner. But this is a great alternative right now when we don't have anything to actually plan in our planners. We have no activities, we have no appointments, we have no meetings or anything. So this is a great way to get your craft on when you get that itch. So I'm going to let you watch this process, and I'm going to pop back in when I have tips to share. This sticker sheet didn't have a lot of punctuation, so there was no apostrophe. So what I did was I took the inside of the A, the little point inside the top of the A, and I used that for my apostrophe. When I use a bunch of different letter stickers and mix them up in a quote or some kind of saying like this, I like to choose colors and sizes that sort of match the importance of the words in the quote. So here I'm taking off the gray for can because it just didn't fit. The gray, I used it for hard because it's sort of a negative word. Yourself and best are that bright pink, and both the you and the your are also very prominent. And then the smaller words like be, to, on, those little tiny words, I usually use little tiny letter stickers. And the stickers for your were a little bit old. They're from an older sheet, so I'm just adding a little bit of glue on the back of these so they're not going to fall out of my book. I hope you liked this video. It's a little bit change of pace, but I think that's what we all need right now. A little bit of motivation, a little bit of cute, happy colors, and a little bit of crafting. If you'd like to see another page like this, then I'll send you to this link here in the top right-hand corner. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite spring color is. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. Have a fantastic day, and happy planning!